You won't need any jelly, corn flour, condensed milk, or even your oven to prepare this delicious pudding. In a pan on medium heat, add 1 cup of sugar and keep mixing until it melts. Then add half a cup of water and mix to form a caramel. Pour the caramel in a bundt cake pan and even it out using a spatula. Tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a huge hug, and thank you for keeping on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Put the cake pan aside. Now in a blender, add 3 eggs, 750 ml of milk, 2 cups of sugar, 1½ cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, and blend. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love puddings. Now pour the cream into the cake pan. This recipe is very easy to prepare and super tasty. Try it at home, then tell me what you think. Now cover the cake pan with aluminum foil. Put it in a bigger pot and pour water halfway through it. Put everything on the stove on maximum heat and leave it to cook for 30 minutes. Always pay attention to the level of water, adding more if you notice it evaporating. After 30 minutes, put the pudding in the fridge for 3 hours to cool. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.